I can't wait to get my claws in that.
No one touches the until I get that baby.
First, I'm gonna slice its hindquarters into sections. I'm gonna put the white meat in one pile and the dark in another.
Hey, knock it off! I'm starving!
Next, the shoulders. Occasionally tough, but extremely juicy.
I told you to knock it off!
Save your energy. Don't go down easy. There's only one way to do it. First, you have to force it into a corner. Cut off its retreat. And when you three have it trapped, I'll go for the throat.